Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Excel using phone. Open your spreadsheet app and start a new workbook right away, then choose a simple template or blank sheet. Tap the first cell to enter headers like date, description, and amount, and use the top menu to format text and apply bold. I will guide you through entering data, saving, and basic formulas so you feel confident on your phone. Entering data on a phone becomes fast with a few neat tricks. Use the numeric keypad for amounts and shorthand like dollar or percent to keep things tidy. Tap and hold to copy a cell or drag the fill handle to fill a series, and apply simple formulas like equals SUM to total a column. I will show how to lock headers, sort rows, and prevent mistakes with validation so your sheet stays accurate. Formulas and formatting unlock the power of spreadsheets on your phone. Begin formulas with an equals sign, use SUM for totals, average for means, and IF for simple logic, then tap the cell to edit. Format cells as currency or percentage to display values clearly, and apply conditional formatting to flag high or low numbers. I will walk you through creating a running total and making a clean, readable sheet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.